What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Coming at you guys live from the iPhone because I forgot my camera. The homie Chris. We're gonna see what we get into tonight. I got a homie that's actually gonna get tuned by E-Class right now on the E85, and I guess another 370 is gonna pull up, get retuned, and race the other homie with the other 370Z on the E85. So should be a little eventful night. Let's see what we get into.
2,000 years later.
40 minutes later, we're linking up with some homies. We got the worst tuner in SoCal right there. With this slam 370. We got a clean 370Z right here. On the RPF ones. Okay. But we're gonna hit the dyno. I think this car is gonna dyno, right?
No.
It's not dynoing?
Hey, what about your car? Is your car gonna hit the dyno right now?
Nope, because that sucky ass tuner couldn't tune my car the other night.
I think you suck.
I'm not sure if I filmed his car recently, but bro, this thing is literally slammed. It looks pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. Look how... I thought my turbo was close to the floor, bro. This shit was good though, I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty good. So these guys are trying to tune his car. But what's happening, sir?
None of your beeswax.
Really?
None of your whack. Nah, I don't want to shave it.
Car that we're tuning has arrived. Sick. And that thing is low-key slammed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So to top it all off, this man's been waiting for a tow truck since like 2 p.m. They drove off the car and they fuck up his tollmate, bro. Oh my god, it's been a day, isn't it?
It's been a day.
But for starters, we're gonna get the fuel pump in, and this man's gonna give it his magic touch. Best tuner in SoCal. All right, so it should start without a tune. About the homies to pump his first tank of E85. Back at the shop, currently draining his fuel. He's ready to tune, guys. For those of you guys that have been to the dyno with me before, you guys know this side of the dyno is people heaven. That one's so freaking nice. All right, guys, it's time to start tuning. What?
Sounds like a Tommy copter.
That, bro? So guys, a little bit of bad news. So he couldn't tune it. I mean, he could have, but he decided not to, just because it has low oil pressure, so it needs battery gaskets. And also the guy that sold him the injectors kind of scammed him. They don't work properly, so gonna have to deal with that as well. But now he has the flame map, he has the popcorn map, but he's gonna tune them again for free. So we ended up hopping in the homie 370. Let me take it for a spin.
Fuck you.
Alright, I'm gonna just swing it then. Swing that shit, pussy! Should I swing it or not? Swing it. Alright, seriously. Oh, this dude's fucking mad right now, I can tell. So what map's the flame map?
Huh?
What map is the flame map?
I'm pretty sure it's 3, but I don't think it's ready yet. Because I have 91 still.
Alright guys, gonna get some runs in. What do you think is gonna win?
Honestly, I don't know. Juanito's fast, but this was fucking fast.
So what is this? Intake exhaust 85?
Intake exhaust 85.
And then intake exhaust 91?
Alright, my bad. Fuck.
What?
Huh?
It take his lost 91 on the one in the back. All right. Different fueling?
I think the wild was
Yeah. I think 370 is gonna win.
the wild one with the carbon.
Yeah, we're going. Good luck, guys. Be safe. Time to cross the border into Mexico. All right, guys. Let's see who wins. Alright guys, so we pulled over, waiting for the other homie. So they ended up catching 2 runs. I guess they weren't the cleanest, but pretty good.
We could run it back. I want to run you though. I
And what in this?
I mean,
Obviously in this,
I'm
right?
always open.
You'll
for
never beat the
friendly
Z, never
fades,
in your
but
life.
you-
Damn guys, that freaking Tommy's almost on the floor. Oh yeah guys, we made it back into our city. We're gonna be calling it a night soon, just following him